Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. How was your day?
Yeah, it was nice. Overall, it was nice.
Okay, and what
How
did you?
was yours?
My day was fantastic. It was a little busy, but I had a good day. Tell me about your day. What did you do all day?
I did nothing. It was a holiday. Of course, it was actually a holiday because it was a Sunday and also because of Children's Day. So I was just doing my homeworks and all.
Okay, I'm just gonna ask you a question. How old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
You're 14 years old. Oh my god. You are the youngest person I've ever spoken to on this platform. But I would like to tell you something. I'm just 6 years older than you. 4, 5 years.
Really? That's great.
Yes, so what grade are you in?
I'm in eighth
You're in
standard.
the eighth grade. Okay. And what is your favorite subject?
It's science.
Science. Oh my god. We have nothing in common because I hate science.
Oh, what's your favorite subject?
So, actually, I really like history when I was in school. History and geography were my favorite subjects.
I also love geography, but I hate history.
So, we have nothing in common. Okay, I'm just
Yeah.
going to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Kanishka. I am 19 years old and I love teaching and meeting new people. That is why I'm here. Could you please introduce yourself and then tell me the reason why you're on Clapping Go?
Yes, I'm Adrija Biswas. I'm from West Bengal, and the reason why I'm in Clappingo is that I just want to converse with people. I love to converse in English with different people.
Okay.
That's it. And
Okay.
also, I have a YouTube channel. I want to show my subscribers about this app.
Okay, that's really nice. So, did you have a chance to read the session document?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, can you please tell me what was it about?
It was about food and restaurants.
Okay, so when I say food and restaurants, what is the first thing that comes in your mind?
Well, what comes in my mind is delicious foods and
Okay, and what is the most favorite dish that you eat in a restaurant? Like every restaurant you go, you have to order that. What is that one dish?
Well, if I talk about Indian cuisine, then I really love any paneer items. I love
Okay.
paneer items. But if I talk about continental, then I love pancakes a lot.
Oh my God. So, do you like pancakes with blueberry on them or do you like it with chocolate chips?
Chocolate chip, honey.
Okay, that is nice. Do you know how to make pancakes?
No, my mother knows. She makes me sometimes pancakes.
She makes them for me sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, can you repeat that sentence again?
She makes them for me sometimes.
Yes. Okay. So have you ever just sat next to her and seen how she's making it? Oh no,
No,
not really.
no.
You're waiting at the table to eat it.
Yeah.
Okay. That is nice. So what's like your daily diet like? What food do you eat on a daily basis?
Well, as I'm a Bengali, so we always eat fish. When
Okay.
fish has to be there with us, we have to eat fish every day. In the lunch, especially, we eat rice with any curry, dal, and fish mostly.
Okay.
And sometimes in dinner we eat rotis, chapatis.
Okay. Okay, so I'll have chapati at night and you'll have rice in the morning. Is that
Yeah,
how your diet is
and
like?
and lunch too.
Okay. So what's your breakfast like then?
Breakfast, I also eat rice mostly.
Okay, so for breakfast and for lunch you'll eat rice, and
Rice,
for dinner it's chapati.
yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So what's your favorite fish dish?
Well, I love ilish. Ilish. It's a very good fish. I love to eat ilish.
Okay, and can you tell me what is it? Because I have no idea what you just said because I'm a vegetarian.
Yeah, yeah. It is actually. It comes from the river Padma. It
Okay,
is actually sea fish, ilish, and not sea fish. I will say it is in the river only. It's come from the river Padma, and it is a really and it is not found anywhere except Bangladesh and West Bengal.
oh, okay. And how do you all make it? Is there like a special way to make it?
Yeah, we use sorshe. I don't know what to call sorshe in English.
Okay, so when you said that you really like in continental, you said pancakes that you really like, but for Indian, you said paneer dishes. So, what are your favorite paneer dishes?
Paneer tikka, paneer butter masala. I love all. I also love palak paneer, shahi
Okay,
paneer. I
okay.
eat
So,
all type of paneer.
have you ever like do you like traveling? Have you traveled anywhere
Yeah,
in
I
India?
love traveling.
Okay,
Traveling is one of my favorite hobbies.
wow, that's nice. And where all have you traveled?
Well, I have went to a lot of places abroad with my parents, of course. I went to Singapore, I have went to Europe, and then I have went to Mauritius, I have went to Dubai, I have went to Thailand, I have went to Maldives,
Okay,
I went to Bali
that's
too.
nice. You've been to Bali too. Oh my
Yeah,
God, many places. So, which was the best food that you ate? All these places that you've traveled.
the best food. Well, in every hotel there was continental breakfast over there. So all the continental breakfasts were kind of same.
Okay.
In Bali, Maldives, everywhere it was kind of same. In Maldives, there was a restaurant where it was in the sea actually. I mean, we were just seeing the waves and we were eating the food, so that was a really memorable experience.
Wow.
So I loved it a lot.
Okay. That's nice. And you said you visited Singapore. Did you have a chance to go to Marina Bay Sands, the
Yes,
big
no,
hotel?
I didn't go to the hotel, but I saw it.
Okay. So you saw it. So where did you visit Sentosa in Singapore?
Yeah, we did. We
Okay.
visited it.
How is it? What did you all do there?
Actually, I was really small at that time. I was like 4 years old, so I've kind of forgotten it. I only remember that we went to Sentosa, and yeah, we saw a show there. We saw a show there. It was in the air. They were showing different pictures and all.
Yes, 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 yes. I know what
Hmm.
you're talking about. Did you have a chance to hold the bird in your hand or something?
No, no, I
No.
didn't.
So what's the most recent place you traveled to that you remember?
Well, recently I traveled to Bali.
Oh, recently you traveled to
That
Bali.
was 2 years ago because in lockdown I have not went anywhere.
Okay, I did not go anywhere, not went anywhere, go anywhere.
I did
Okay,
not go anywhere.
yes. Okay, so can you please tell me about Bali? How was your Bali trip?
Yeah, it was really great. We visited actually a lot of places. Bali is famous for its sea beach and it is also famous for its mountains and its temples and all. So overall, it had a great variety and the food was also nice over there. Yeah, we stayed in a seaside hotel. It was absolutely great. We had a great view from our room. It was overall a great experience.
Did you have a chance to go to the temple where you have to wear the scarf, the
Yeah,
purple or
yeah,
the
we
orange
wore it.
color
We
one?
wore it.
Yes, do you remember that?
Yeah, I do. There was a temple known as Tanha Lot. We went there. There the view was really nice, and yeah, we went to Uluwatu temple, and there were a lot of temples over there.
Okay. And did you have a chance to go to all the beach restaurants, the restaurants on
Yeah,
the
we
beach?
went. There was a beach. I don't remember the name, but we were watching the sunset, and we were eating our dinner. So it was a really a memorable experience.
Do you remember what you ate? The food or the
I
restaurant
think
or anything about that?
I think we ate fried rice and some seafood.
Okay, that's nice. So can you tell me what is the best seafood? Where do you get the best seafood? You've traveled so much, and where do you
Uh,
think has which country or which restaurant has the best seafood?
Well, of course, seaside areas have the best seafood, and Maldives had good seafood. Bali also had nice. They
Okay,
were great.
okay, that's nice. And how long back did you go to Maldives?
I went to Maldives in 2017.
Okay, that's pretty long. Okay,
Mm.
and you do you remember it or no? Not really.
Yeah, I remember it.
That's nice. Okay, so can you please tell me something about your hobbies, something that you like doing that can
Yeah,
make me
as I
feel
said, I love traveling. I love listening to music. Uh, I love reading stuff.
okay.
These are all.
Okay. And what do you like? Do you watch any TV shows or any movies or anything like that?
I do watch movies, but I don't watch web series and TV shows.
Okay. So what's the last movie that you saw?
The last movie, I guess it would be Soul. There is a movie named Soul.
Oh, yeah.
I,
We saw it on
I
Hotstar, right? If I'm not wrong,
yes, it's
Hotstar.
on
Yes,
Hotstar.
yes.
I watched it not a month ago, some days, few weeks ago.
But didn't they change the name to Earth versus 22? The movie Soul?
No, it's actually an animated movie.
Yes, I'm talking about the animated movie.
I
But there
don't
was
know,
also,
but when I saw the movie, its name was Soul.
it was Soul only. Okay. Did you like that movie?
Yeah, it was great. I loved it.
Did you understand what it was towards the end?
Yeah, I did understand it.
Okay. So can you tell me something about that movie?
Well, actually, it's about the value of life, importance of life, how we don't utilize our life properly. We just think about our aims and we need to work to eat and all that. We always think about that. We cannot enjoy our life properly. So it's about that. It's about when us after in the afterlife, how our soul is there and all that.
Yes. And it also teaches you that, in your life, unexpected things can happen at any time. The way he
Yeah,
was, all his life, he was a failure. And suddenly when he got his big gig, he
yeah.
died. He fell into, I don't know, he fell into the thing or
He
something.
fell into a gutter and died.
Yes. An open gutter and he died. So that is what it teaches you. Okay, wow, that's nice. And other than Soul, what are the other movies that you've seen?
I've seen. I don't usually watch movies, but I have seen a lot of animated movies. I don't usually see those crime movies and all. I don't usually see them. I have
Okay.
watched fantasy movies, animated movies, comedy movies. These are all.
Did you have a chance to see the movie Luca?
Luca, yes, I want to watch it. I'm really looking forward to watch it. I haven't
Shit.
watched it yet.
It's the most, I mean, I've never seen a better animated movie than Luca.
Okay, I
Really
should
nice.
watch it then.
Okay, so this is something that I generally do in my sessions. Instead of me asking you questions and me talking to you, I would want you to take over the session. And if you were a Clapping Go tutor, how would you take this session ahead? And how would you try to communicate with me?
Okay, so what are your
Also,
hobbies?
just 1 second. You can't ask any of the questions that I have asked. That's the rule.
Okay. Well, do you listen to music?
Not really, but yeah, I do like listening to music, but I'm not a huge
Um,
music fan.
which kind of music do you usually listen to?
I really like listening to Bollywood music. That is something that I really like.
Okay. Who is your favorite artist?
I don't have a favorite artist, but I
Yeah,
have a
but
favorite song.
yeah,
But yeah, I like listening to Punjabi music, and I like listening to slow music. Slow, like slow paced music. Yeah, that is
yeah,
something that I
right.
really like.
And where are you from? I don't know.
Okay, so I am from Mumbai,
Oh,
and
that's
yes, okay.
so. Do you do anything else other than being a clapping or tutor?
Yes, so I am a student. I'm currently studying. So yeah, that's pretty much what I am doing, and I'm also interning in a company right now. So yeah, that's all I do.
What do you study about?
Um, I mean, I don't know how to explain this to you, but do you know what marketing is?
Yeah,
Yes.
a
So
little
yeah,
bit.
yes. So that is something that I'm studying.
That's good. And what to ask? Do you
Okay,
like, yeah,
please continue. Please continue.
and do you like gardening?
Gardening?
Yeah,
No, not at all.
not me.
But
Neither
why?
me.
Why did you ask me that question? Does that interest you?
No, actually, my mother loves gardening a lot, so we have all kind of plants in our home. But
Really? What kind
yeah,
of plants do you have at home?
well, we have different flowering plants. We have Ericapum plants, Orchidea. These are the plants.
Do you have the aloe vera plant at home?
Yeah, I do
Yeah.
have.
And do you like ever just remove it and put it on your face?
Yeah, I have. I have put it on my face a lot of times.
So how do you do it? Like how do you cut the leaf of the aloe vera and then how do you like do it? How is it like?
Well, all the things are done by my mother. My mother cuts it, and then she just slices it,
Yeah,
and
she
then you just,
slices it in the middle.
yeah, in the middle,
Yeah.
and then you put it on that face with that pieces. You just put it on their face, rub
Okay.
it on you.
Okay, that's nice. And what other plants do you have at home?
I had a rose plant, but it unfortunately died. And then I have different flowering plants. I know the Bengali names. I don't know the English names of all of them. I have 9 o'clock plant. There is a flower known as 9 o'clock. The
Okay.
flower only it comes at 9
Yes.
in the
Yeah.
morning.
The
I have
flower blooms at 9 o'clock.
blooms at 9, right?
Yes.
So, and I have different type of plants, of red leaves and all those plants.
Okay, that's nice. So, do you know what are the food requirements for a plant? What kind of
No,
food do we provide them?
actually,
Since our topic is about food and restaurants.
yeah. So water the plants and sometimes put manures on them. My mother sometimes buys manure and gives a little bit of them in every plant.
Okay, do you know what is the process of photosynthesis? I'm pretty sure you're a smart girl, you'll know more than me.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, can you explain it to me?
Well, photosynthesis is the process by which a plant makes food for itself and also for us, where it stores food, we eat them. So at first, photosynthesis takes place in the leaf. So leaf has green pigment known as chlorophyll in it, and these chlorophylls do the process of photosynthesis. And at first, the plant takes in carbon dioxide, and sunlight, and then something goes on in the plant, and then the plant produces food and oxygen in the leaf, and then the food is stored in different parts of plant, like food is actually glucose, and it is stored in different parts of plants, root, fruit, vegetables have fruit only, fruit, etc. And the oxygen is exhaled out that we breathe in.
Okay, wow, that is nice. And why are the leaves green in color? Do you know that?
Because they have a green pigment known as chlorophyll.
Yes. Clap, 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 clap. That is really nice. Okay, I just want to correct one thing. It's not oxygen. I mean, sorry, it's not Can you pronounce this word?
Oxygen.
Yeah, it's not oxygen. Okay. It's in box. Can you see it? Can you pronounce it?
Yes, I can see it. Oxygen.
Okay, it's gin.
Oxygen.
Can you say it
Oxygen.
again? Yes. Okay. I'm going to play an audio right now, a
Okay.
short audio, for you to understand what I'm trying to say.
Oxygen.
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 Yes. I'm playing it again.
Oxygen.
Can you say it now?
Oxygen.
Yes.
Oxygen.
Can you see the difference between what you were saying
Yeah,
before
yeah.
this is now? Can you please use this word in a sentence now?
The plant exhales out oxygen.
Yes. Perfect. Okay. Also, one more mistake that I saw in you is this word. Can you pronounce this word for me?
Usually.
Okay. Can you say it again?
Usually.
Okay. Now, can you use this in a sentence?
I usually do my homework at night.
Okay. And now, can you pronounce this word?
Unusually.
Okay. So when you were talking, or when you were talking to me, that time you said unusually. Okay. So when you're talking, probably in your flow, maybe you must have mispronounced it. However, I'll just play the audio one more time so that you know.
Usually.
Could you hear it?
Yeah, usually.
Yes. Okay, perfect. That is really nice. You seem like a very smart girl, and it was really nice talking to you.
Yeah.
I also want to tell you one more thing, that you're very fluent in your English, which is actually really very good. But the thing is that at times you speak really fast. So if you could just lower down your pace a little bit, that would be better. Other than that, I do not see any mistakes or anything like that, which is very good. And you should be really proud of yourself because you're super confident and you speak really nicely. And you just remind me when I was your age, because I was like this. I was always talking to people and I was always bubbly and always ready to take the conversation
Yeah.
ahead. So that was really nice. Okay, so now since our topic was about food and restaurants, and I don't really have a lot to ask you because you seem to answer every question I've asked you, and now I'm just like, what should I ask you next? So I just want to ask you, what do you think about nowadays? A lot of us are eating unhealthy foods, and
Yeah.
we are not actually focusing towards the healthy food, like we're focusing more on fries, pizzas, burgers, and the fast food. So what do you think about that? Is this a good option? Is this a healthy diet?
Of course, it's not a healthy diet. We should not eat the fast food often. We can eat it sometimes, at least once in a month or once in a week, but we should not eat it often.
Okay. Once in a
I also
month
don't eat
versus
fast
once in a
food.
week. So
Once
that
in a week
becomes
is a lot. Once in 2 weeks is okay.
okay. So twice a month.
Twice a month, yeah.
How often do you eat fast foods?
I don't eat fast food at all. I mean,
Oh,
sometimes only when I go to restaurants and all, at that time only. Otherwise, I'm not such a fan of fast foods.
so what is your favorite fast food?
Burger. I
Okay.
love burger. French fries. French fries are also great.
Okay. And what is your favorite fast food joint?
Joint. Burger and French fries.
Burger and French fries is your favorite. So basically, a joint is basically a small restaurant. It's called a joint.
Yeah.
So food joint, like McDonald's is a fast food joint,
Yeah.
which is not very niche. And restaurants where you have to sit down, dress properly, and go. At
Yeah.
food joints, you can just go in your night suits.
Like KFC, Subway.
Yes, yes,
Those.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. I live in a small town, so we don't have those joints over here. But when I go outside, I usually love to eat at McDonald's. McDonald's is great.
Okay, that is nice. So how far are you from Kolkata?
I'm a lot far. Kolkata is in the south of West Bengal. I live in the north of West Bengal.
Oh, so you live near the borders of Bangladesh and West Bengal?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really near to the border of Bangladesh.
Okay, that's nice. Is it so have you ever been to the Bangladesh border?
No, I have seen Bangladesh from this side, but I've never been to the other side.
No, but have you been to the border?
Yeah, I have been to the border.
Yeah. And you've seen Bangladesh from your place?
Yeah, I have seen it.
Oh wow. So is it a lot like India? At
Yeah,
least
it's
the way it
totally
looks.
like India.
Oh, it's totally like India.
Yeah,
Okay.
you will not find any difference between the two places.
Okay, wow, that's nice. So is there like a lot of army where you live?
No, there are not so many armies over here, at least.
Okay. So how was your experience when you went towards the border?
Actually, my mother's house is my mother's real house. It is in a place that is a little bit far from here. I mean, we take 3 hours. So while going to there, I need to pass through the border, not through the border. I mean, there is a road that goes from the side of the border.
Okay.
From the side of the border, we need to go. So from there, we saw Bangladesh. Actually, it was a kind of a forest-like place from Bangladesh. So
Okay.
there was not many people over there.
There were not many people, not was
There
not
were not many people.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So did you have a chance to see the army officers and everything?
No, there were no armies over there.
Oh, there were no army officers.
No.
As well. Okay, so it's a very peaceful border then.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And do you like wanna visit Bangladesh or no? Not really.
I love to visit Bangladesh because there is a beach over there known as Cox's Bazar. I'd love
Okay.
to visit that beach over there.
Okay, so the name of the beach is Cox's Bazar.
Yeah.
Okay, and what is so good about that beach?
Many people visit that beach. You know, it's really lively over there.
Okay. Okay, that's nice. This is interesting. I need to tell my parents I want to visit there as well.
Yeah.
So where all have you traveled in India?
I have in India. I have also visited many places in West Bengal, like Darjeeling, Digha, and I have in India. I have went to Meghalaya. I have went to Assam. I have went to the entire of South India. I have visited Mumbai. Also, I have went Goa
Yeah.
and Hyderabad. These
That's
places.
nice. So what did you do when you came to Mumbai?
Well, we visited the Gateway of India. We saw the Hotel Taj.
Yes.
We stayed there for a long time. I remember I was small at that time, but we stayed in that place in front of the Hotel Taj. We just sat there. There were a lot of pigeons over there. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it was really nice. And in Mumbai, um, I didn't really spend so many days over there in Mumbai because we went to Goa from there actually.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's nice. So you've traveled quite a lot. That's really
yeah.
nice. Have you had a chance to go? And firstly, what all do you remember? What food you ate in Mumbai?
I was too small at the time. I was 5 years old, so
Oh my God, 5 years old.
yeah,
Mumbai has changed a lot. You should come here again now.
I'd love to.
Okay. And how was your trip to Goa then?
Yeah, it was nice. I remember my trip to Goa because the resort was really great and there were a lot of foreigners over there. So sometimes it seemed like it was a foreign country too.
Okay. That's really nice. Okay, so we do not have much time in our session.
Yeah,
Sadly, I wish we could talk more because I
me
love
too.
talking to you. As I told you, I just see myself as a 13-year-old being so confident and talking to everyone. Oh, I just had one question. Do you guys, what board are you studying? Is it CBSE or ICSE?
CBSE.
CBSE. Oh, so you all don't have a choice to choose between subjects now, right? You all don't have that choice, right? To
No,
choose
no,
between commerce and
no.
science. Okay, so you have to study all three sciences right now.
Yeah,
Okay. No wonder science is your favorite subject. You're really smart and you're really sweet, and it was a lot of fun talking to you.
yeah, for me too.
Yes, and I really wish to see you again. We roughly have about a minute left. Do you have any questions for me?
No, all
Okay.
my doubts are clear.
Okay, really nice. And has school started offline or is it
No,
online?
it's still going on online.
Oh, it's still online. So
Yeah.
how long is your like how many hours?
We start from 10 a.m. in the morning to 4 p.m. in the evening.
Oh, that's like a really long time. And what about the breaks in the middle? Lunch break, short break, or
Yeah,
something?
we have 1 hour break in the middle
Okay.
for bathing and lunch and all.
Okay. That's nice. That is a good this thing. Okay. And are they gonna plan to start it offline anytime soon or no, not really?
No, there are no plans because from tomorrow it is starting offline, but it's from the 9th class and I read in standard 8.